Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Meta launches AI powered ad tools to boost festive sales in India. At its next Acer press conference at IFA, Acer unveiled a wide range of new consumer devices, including Iconia X and A series tablets, Amadana monitors, the CE270UZ OLED display, and the Acer Connect T36 Wi-Fi 7 router. The Iconia tablets bring AI-powered features, OLED displays, long battery life, and optional accessories like stylus and keyboards. Acer also debuted Amadana monitors, blending Japanese-inspired minimalism with high performance. Together, the new lineup is designed to enhance productivity, entertainment, and modern digital living. At its next Tesla has proposed a record-breaking $1 trillion pay package for CEO Elon Musk, making him the world's first executive to potentially reach such compensation. The package, tied to strict milestones, includes 12% of Tesla's shares distributed in stages. To earn the full payout, Musk must raise Tesla's valuation from $1.1 trillion to $8.5 trillion within a decade, remain CEO for at least 7.5 years, and achieve ambitious goals like selling 20 million cars, 1 million robots, and drafting a succession plan. Tesla Zebronics, India's leading brand in IT peripherals and lifestyle tech, won two prestigious awards at the Amazon Best in Tech Awards 2025 beta. The Zeb Juke Bar 1000, a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos and DTS-X soundbar with 1100W output, earned the Innovative Home Theater Award for redefining home audio. The Zeb Transformer Pro Combo, featuring a robust keyboard and precision gaming mouse, won the Value for Money Combo Award. Directors Sandeep and Yash Doshi dedicated the recognition to consumer trust, innovation, and Zebronics' ethos of delivering premium for masses. Zebronics, India's leading brand in IT Meta is hiring US contractors at $55, around R5,000 per hour, to develop Hindi AI chatbots tailored for India. Applicants need fluency in Hindi or other major languages, plus 6 years experience in storytelling, character creation, and prompt engineering. These bots aim to bring culturally relevant AI personalities to Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger as part of Mark Zuckerberg's vision for AI companions. The move reflects Meta's hands-on approach to creating authentic regional personas, though past chatbot controversies raise safety and privacy concerns. Google has upgraded its Circle to Search tool with a new scroll and translate feature, making translation seamless across apps. Previously, users had to restart translation whenever content changed. Now, translations continue automatically as you scroll through apps like Facebook or switch screens. To use it, open Circle to Search, tap the translate icon, and select Scroll and Translate. The update begins rolling out this week, starting with Samsung Galaxy devices, and will expand to other Android phones in the coming weeks. Adobe is bringing its Premiere Video Editor to iPhone users this month, offering a free app packed with professional tools. The app features a multi-track timeline, 4K HDR editing, unlimited layers, automatic captioning, and voiceover recording, without watermarks. Integrated with Adobe Firefly AI, it enables creators to generate images, sounds, and effects via prompts, alongside tools like enhanced speech and generative sound effects. Designed for social media, videos can be resized for platforms or transferred to Premiere Pro on desktop. An Android version is also planned. AirOps AI is a versatile platform designed to help businesses and teams streamline workflows using artificial intelligence. It allows users to build, customize, and deploy AI-powered tools without requiring deep technical expertise. From automating repetitive tasks to enhancing data analysis, content generation, and customer interactions, AirOps AI boosts efficiency across multiple functions. Its collaborative features make it easy for teams to share and scale AI applications quickly. By combining flexibility, scalability, and user-friendly design, AirOps AI empowers organizations to unlock productivity and innovation. Our lead story is about Meta launches AI-powered ad tools to boost festive sales in India. Meta has introduced new AI-powered advertising solutions to help Indian businesses maximize festive season sales. The updates enhance Reels, creator collaborations, omni-channel campaigns, and automated ad optimization. Advertisers can now use regional filters, Advantage Plus catalog ads with partnership ads, and show products optimization to convert single media ads into catalog versions. Reels ads are also getting upgrades, including carousel-style product videos and swipe-up features for added brand details. Early tests showed a 23% rise in conversions through flexible media placement. Our lead. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Rini Gupta signing off from IT Voice.